Let's start today's project by setting our size. Come to Art, then we are choosing 1080 pixels. Let's create. Choose the rectangle tool and draw the rectangle to cover the entire area. Come to the color and then let's come to gradient. Change the gradient from linear to radial. And then let's invert the two colors. Double click on the first handle for the color picker tool to open. Type in this code. Let's pick the rectangle tool again and let's draw a small rectangle here. Click on the chain icon to deactivate it, then hold the upper left corner and increase it by dragging it to the right. Drag until the point comes to the center and then do the same with the lower left corner. Let's change the color, so type this code. That's good. Now select the layer and come to layer style. Choose bevel and emboss. Now the style, change to inner bevel. Technique, we are using smooth. Depth, type in 100. The direction is down. The size, we are using 5. Then the soften, no. As for the shading and the highlight, you can keep the default settings. Let's click OK. Okay, so now select the shape and then press Ctrl and J or Command J to make a copy. Let's change the color by choosing gradient. Change the angle to 0. Then click on the bar. Click on the first handle and then the color, and let's choose a sample color from the project. After that, let's click the second handle, then the color box, and choose another color and click OK. Now select the shape, then right click and choose Scale. Drag it downwards a bit. Then resize by dragging it to the right. Select the layer now and then let's add layer style. So we are also choosing the bevel and the emboss. Let's untick to remove it and then let's add the drop shadow. The blending mode, we are using multiply and the color is black. Set the opacity to 50%. The angle is 0. Now the distance, I am setting it to 13 pixels. Spread 0, size 32 pixels. Click OK. Alright, the next thing for us to do is to grab our text tool and let's add some text. Let's make some changes in the Properties tab. The font is Snow. I call it Christmas font. Set the size to 80 and let's continue. Let's enlarge our design a bit. Now take the rectangle tool and draw above the text. So change the color and make it red. We are choosing a color from the document. Take the rectangle tool again and draw a thin rectangle right here. Change the color and choose a sample color from the document. So we are choosing a sample color right from here. Select the layer, come to layer style and let's add drop shadow. In the drop shadow settings, I will certainly keep the opacity at 15. Well, let me keep it here for now. The distance, I set it to 3. Spread 0, then the size 4. Also, the bevel and the emboss, that one too, I'm going to keep the depth at 147 and keep the rest. Now select the layer again and add layer mask. Choose the eraser tool, make sure that the hardness is set to 0 and then clean the top and also the bottom part of the rectangle. Zoom in and reduce the thickness a bit. It is now time to import our images. Please check below the description. The download link is there and download them. So highlight these 3 images and import them. First, let's drag and drop the bell. Put it in between the 2 shapes, that is the white one and the red one. Put the bell in between them So let's come to layer and find the red shape and the white shape and put the bell layer in between them. Now let's resize and continue. Right click on the bell and choose rotate. Take the text tool again, and now let's continue the writings. The font we are using is Global. And set the size to 36. Click on the color and then type in this code to change the color. Take the text tool, add a text, which will be a prayer, a quote, or a wish you are going to give to the person. The font type we are using is Vivaldi and then italic, but the size set it to 10, and also the interval set it to 10. The color, choose red. Drag and drop your balloon. Place it right here. Resize, make it smaller and put it here. Finally, let's import our Christmas tree. Place it right here and resize. Double click on the text and then let's delete the A. Type in 3 empty spaces. And then let's copy the Christmas tree and put one here. Arrange everything nicely and your job is done. You can go ahead and save. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also I would like you to share with your friends, like the video and comment below. God bless you. Stay creative. Bye bye.